Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we're going to Edenvale and showcase the work that 1610 is actually doing on this side of the world, and they are taking their neighborhood back by doing the work that they are doing, and we're going to show you guys on this video. Again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will elevate your mind.
I'm Kerry from 1610 United. This is my team. This is Shoal, Small, Doc, and Christine. This is what we do. We fix up Edenvale, potholes, cut trees, paint curbs, cut grass. Come on Edenvale, we all need to work together, get things done.
There. So this is one of the work that they are doing, guys. Keep all this clean and tidy. Good.
This is one of our community cleanup projects, grass cutting, maintaining pavements and islands.
Good morning, I'm Candice from CPG Security. We are proud sponsors of the 1610 and we offer security services within the Edenvale area.
Okay, you guys can see there, this is working.
Hi, my name is Ray Hogg and I'm a resident of Dower Glen. I live across the road from the Willows Park. 4 years ago I looked at the park and it was an absolute mess and the council were doing nothing to fix it up, and I took it on myself to actually renovate the whole park. The park was in a disgusting shape and there's debris all over the place. The first job was to get rid of all of the rubbish in the park, and we took out 70 trucks, 15-ton trucks of rubbish out of the park before we could even do anything else. And then it was a process of starting to cleaning up the children's playground equipment, making it all usable again, and then we worked our way down through the park, repairing and replacing the bridges, cutting all the grass. As a community, we purchased a lawnmower, a ride-on lawnmower, and I mow the lawns once a week, and it takes me 2 days to mow the lawn. Over the time, many of the community people have started donating to us so we can do more projects, so we can keep the park looking like it is now. The beauty of the park is that now everybody can use it. People come here with their dogs and their kids and their picnics, and they have a wonderful time.
Be an accountable citizen and take all your green areas under your belt and make sure that you take care of your community, guys. Let's make this a movement.
Hi, I'm Johan from Grand Slam Sports Diner. We've been around for 30 years. I support 1610 because I started noticing that the potholes were being fixed, and I'm a proud donator because they're doing very good work, and I hope that they carry on with it.
You can see they also did all this. You can see the painting on the sidewalk. You guys see all of this? This was also done by them. I just showed you guys up there. This gives you pretty much a good view of what 1610 is doing.
This is one of our other projects. It's called Curb Appeal. We resurfacing, cleaning and painting all the curbs up Hendrik Potgieter through Dower Glen and the avenues, refreshing it with black and white. This is the after, here's the before. We're going to carry on all the way up. This is another one of our initiatives, pothole repairs. We've bought all our own equipment, rammers, compactors to get the job done. If we don't do it, who else is going to do it? We work with donations, and depending on the size of the pothole is depending on the price.
Details, 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 guys. Okay, this one is also done, and this is how we take our beautiful neighborhoods back, guys. Accountable citizens, and we create jobs also. Look at that. Thanks for your job, man. Amazing. There's also one subscriber for our channel, guys, so follow his example and press that subscriber button. Thanks, man. Guess what, guys? They are done. Look at this. Already done. As quick as possible. Done. So make sure you make your donations. So keep your neighborhood amazing.
I was a shop in 1610 here. So about 2 weeks ago we came around here. All of this grass here was about yay high, like you see over there in the background. We trimmed this whole area down over here. We did that side of the road over there. We trimmed it all down over there as well. And last year, December, we got together with the community. We had about 28 people here. And this park on your right over here, on your left, sorry, was fully overgrown. And we went in with about 28, 30 people and we mowed this whole place down. Since then, we've had a bit of growth come back, but that's why it's vital while we get the funding so we can continue doing the good work we're doing in this community.
So now, that's Frutia Park, and look at this. This is so overgrown. And look at this. So they did this side. So the community here is trying to maintain this side, but they are struggling. But it's a beautiful park here, guys, where you guys can literally walk. You see, I think there is someone there cutting grass. Let me see. Yes, so there is probably someone who is paid by the community, I guess. Okay. But look at this, and look at 1610 work. Hey, amazing.
So over here, the side of Protea Park, we've got all these exposed electrical cables. Apparently they're supposed to be protected at night by security, but there's nobody ever here. This is why we constantly have electricity cuts, and your internet also goes off because people just keep stealing the cables. And across the road, the side of Denver Park, the whole side of the riverbed is collapsed. Next rainy season, this bridge is going to wash away if council doesn't do something about it.
We from the River Association, which is the community on the other end there, and we started maintaining because we had a crime situation, and then we opened it up and we even taking paving and laying it further up because it was all silted up over the years. So
I just want to show you guys, because at the moment what they're doing, if they clean this, they are making this nice for vagrants to come here and eat. But look at this. If it's clean and maintained properly, shame, the guy did actually a lot of work there. And of course the value of your property, if it's maintained, it will go up. Look at this, who doesn't want to enjoy a nice clean park? Imagine all this taken care of. Side of the park they are now cleaning, and look at that side of the park. Work was already done.
How many potholes have we done?
Well, since we started in March this year, we have done 162 potholes.
And how many trees have we trimmed?
We have trimmed 160 trees.
And curbs, how much have we painted?
Curbs, we have done about 12 20-litre drums of paint.
And that was all up Hendrik Pothole throughout the avenues, Dower Glen, everywhere, hey?
Correct.
This guys, they literally had to buy their whole equipment. This thing costs money, eh? Basically clean the thing, okay? It was a full service. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. Remember, we don't have time to be lazy. We don't have time for excuses. We need to make SHIT happen, guys. Again, guys, make sure to share, subscribe, and destroy that like button. And I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.